Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about how a BJT can act as an inverter. So in this case, we want to work the BJT as an inverter. What does it inverter means? Inverter means draw a black box, an inverter, then it will be the output port and this will be the so in this input port and this is the output. If we apply some high level voltage at the input, then at the output we get a very low level voltage, and if we apply a low level voltage at the input, then we get a high level voltage at the output. That's why it is called the inverter. How a BJT can be operated like this. So for this case, let us assume that we are taking the output voltage from this terminal. So this is our output voltage, and this output voltage is V0, and this is my output voltage, and my input voltage is here at the B terminal, B point. So we can say that our input voltage is here. So this is our VBE potential, VBE potential, and our input voltage is here. So now, in the first case, the case 1, what we can write that if the VBB is equals to 0 volt case, that means we are taking that the input voltage is 0 volt. If my VBB voltage is 0, then what will happen? Then we can say that the VBE potential will be 0 volt, and as well as the base current will also be 0 ampere, due to which the collector current, which is equals to beta into IB, will also be 0. Since IC current is 0, that means the IC current is flowing in this direction through the RC, and IB current is here. So since IC current is 0, so we can say that the V0 value, that is nothing but the collector to emitter potential, will be equals to the VCC, and if we have applied VCC at 10 volt, then we'll get the output voltage as 10 volt. That means we have applied a very low voltage at the input, and we have got a high voltage at the output in this fashion from a bipolar junction transistor. Similarly, if we go for the second case, if we apply the ABB equals to 4 volt, in this case, the transistor or the Q transistor, if we define the transistor as Q, then Q will be in saturation. Since QV will be in saturation, then we can say that the IC current will be IC saturation, and VBE will be VBE saturation, and it is equals to VBE maximum value. and the VCE, that is the collector to emitter voltage, will also be in the saturation, that is VCE minimum. You know the VCE minimum is 0.2 volt. So we can say that the output voltage V0, which was equals to VCE, will now be 0.2 volt. So we have applied a high voltage at the input and we have got a low voltage at the output for this case. So in this way, the transistor can be operated as an inverter element in the circuit. Thank you.